Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.com. RPA Use Case, Healthcare. Modern healthcare organizations face numerous problems: increasing patient volumes, compliance requirements, and operating costs, alongside an often deserved reputation for needless bureaucracy. Mark out the industry as an excellent candidate for automation. Quicker and more cost-effective care is crucial for public confidence in these services. The National Health Service and the UK public healthcare system is something of a miracle. It provides free healthcare for the country's 67 million citizens. However, because it's made up of an amalgamation of trust, boards, and bodies, it's gained a reputation for inefficiency, bloat, and redundant processes. NHS Dorset needed to find a way for general practitioner doctors to access the Dorset Care Record, a collection of patient health records. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.